I'm here on the Thule stand. We're going to come to how we pronounce that in a minute.
Okay.
I'm with Graham. You're launching a new towbar here at the show. Tell us a bit more about it.
Yeah, okay. So we've got the new Thule VeloSwing towbar. It's the first one on the market that is a full swing towbar. And it has a capacity of 3,000 kilos. So it's the first one you can put a tow ball mount on, or you can still tow a caravan trailer or horse box or whatever you want to do on the back of it.
So Swing Out Towbar's been around a while. Its
have.
USP, the point of difference here is how much it can
The
tow.
USB has a nose weight of 150 kilos on the nose weight and a towing capacity of 3,000 kilos.
So if you've got a van like the one behind us with split doors at the back, you can tow a car with this.
You can tow a car, a small motorbike, a trailer, like I say, horse box, whatever your interest is, and then basically you have that flexibility of what the product does.
But why would you buy a Swing Out towbar?
Swing It just gives you that access to the back doors. So if you're having a tow ball mounted carrier on, you can leave all your bikes and everything on the back of the vehicle, and you can swing it 95 degrees round.
Now at the moment it's only available on the Stellantis Group vehicles, so explain what that is.
So at the moment it's new product out, only available for the Ducato Boxer jumper. So it's a Stellantis vehicles, and then we will evolve the project we're looking at the Crafter, Sprinter, and probably looking at the Ford Transit H3 as well.
Good, and when can I get one?
So release date for next year, we're looking Q2, so we will be looking April, May time for release into the UK market.
So go on then, tell us, how much are they?
You'll be looking around about £2,000 for the unit itself.
Okay,
yep.
So a considered purchase, but really useful.
It is, and if you want to take it off, you can take it off and take it to your next vehicle as well. It's not a permanent fix.
Wow, so is it user fittable or is it actually professionally fitted?
I would always recommend with a tow bar that it is dealer fitted, but you can do DIY fit if you want to. Comes with full fitting instructions and everything, so someone that's quite handy, yes, they can do it themselves.
So come on then, Thule.
It's Thule. I pronounce it Thule.
Me too.
Yeah, there you go, got it right.
Thanks, Graham, have a great show.
No problem, thank you very much for your time.